Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. It's Friday morning. Fabulous Friday. Got up and had to go out and get a couple of good ingredients for tonight's dinner. But let's go back to yesterday. Yesterday I did Mongolian chicken over long grain white rice. Great stir fry. I will definitely get the recipe up for you this morning. Yes. But yesterday's recipe, I did add some veggies. I like a full stir fry. If it's traditional, I don't know. I'm not a traditional guy. So I added zucchini, yellow squash, and an orange bell pepper. And some onion on top of the green onion. So yeah, I had fun with it. It was good. Tonight, I'm going to be preparing sauteed cod with Romesco sauce, a Uncle Ben's wild rice blend, and peas. Yes. Let's take a look. Got some hardware going. Using frozen cod. I like frozen fish because it's caught, cleaned, and then frozen. Almost better than fresh because it hasn't sat around. There's two unusual ingredients in this. Hazelnuts, and this is new to me. I know about it, but this is the first time I think I've used it, if not a very, very long time. Sherry vinegar. That's one of the ingredients I had to go out and get this morning. There's plenty of olive oil in this, just a little bit of tomato paste, some garlic, roasted bell peppers in the jar, smoked paprika, red chili peppers, pepper flakes, some kosher salt, some fresh ground black pepper, and parsley, flat leaf, Italian style. Yes. Here's the Uncle Ben's. Now, Robin, before she went on to college, I think even maybe a summer or two, that Robin was going to college, she worked in the warehouse at Gibbs Wild Rice. She just told me this once I brought this up. That Gibbs Wild Rice, at least used to, do this blend for Uncle Ben's. Yeah, Sutter County product. National. All right. So we got the Uncle Ben's. Add some water, add some butter in a medium-sized pot. You're good to go. Peas, I'm going to add some butter, some salt, some pepper, and we'll see what else. Yesterday, I had Jim from JS Sharpening come by the house, because he's mobile, sharpen my primary blades. My 4 chef knives and my utility knife. Also, and my Kershaw pocket knife. It was needing it. It's never been worked on. And that's about 15 to 18 years old. Yeah. Jim always does a great job with my blades. He's the only person I trust other than myself with my blades. He pays special attention to my Japanese Shun blades because they are a finer blade than the German and or the Chicago cutlery. What's beautiful about the Chicago cutlery, the two that I have that you see, is I've had those for almost 35 years. And yes, you can buy Chicago cutlery blades now, but they're not the same. These blades are higher quality. That's just the way they used to make them back then. I know, I sound like an old man. Back in the day, these Chicagos were very nice. And they're still very nice. Because I take care of them. Your kitchen knives are a lifetime investment. So, I'll get off I'll get off my soapbox now. So part of the Romesco sauce is I get to use my food processor It's one of my favorite electric tools in the kitchen. So yeah, this is what I've got going on today. How about you on this fabulous Friday? Any good plans for the weekend? Stay out of the heat if you're in Northern California. It's going to be hot today, like almost 100, and they're saying 106 tomorrow. So, if you're in Northern California, like here in Sutter County, stay out of the heat and hydrate. All right, on this fabulous Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.